Hi, and welcome back to Vonity Acres. It has been a long winter and, quite honestly, not a very good spring, but we are back in business, back to building, and you can see from this first image that some walls have gone up. Prior to that, though, if you remember from last year, I kind of pushed one of these garage walls in a little bit, so I had to straighten that out by building a little wall on top of that I had to do anyway. That was mainly to get the floor level with the house floor in the garage so that all the walls would be the same height. So it all worked out in the end. Prior to that, I did go to the International Builder Show in Florida in February. I wanted to meet with different product manufacturers and vendors, suppliers, and whatnot to go over the different aspects of things that I might be considering for heating and cooling, water tanks, electrical, building materials, just general stuff like that. It was a good trip. Turned out to be worthwhile. Prior to that, I started looking for rough framing contractors to build this house for me, get the shell up, so I could get it going quickly, because I did fall behind last year. Bottom line is I could not find the right price and decided to not do that, and ended up changing the design of the roof and not the floor plan. So as you can see from this image, this is the floor plan. The floor is already built, so I can't really change it anyway. But I just put a different roof on it that will make it easier for me to build. And that is where I am now, and that's what I have started. This will be the new design. It's kind of an older look. I actually came up with this originally and have been running kind of a parallel design with the other. This is easier for me to build. It's a lower slope, 1 in 12 pitch. I'll have a steel roof on it. These are just various images. The house will get framed first. Behind the house will be a workshop, and this is an image of that with the solar panel installation off to the south side of that. And what I did at the builder show was I ran into a booth that was a display by a company that sells golf simulators. So I decided off the back end of the shop to put a room that's going to have a golf simulator in it. That'll be down the road. So getting back to where we are today, last Friday, that would have been May 8th, I had my wood delivery from Northville Lumber. They had the best price that I could come up with, and this is kind of the beginning of my framing process. So there's enough wood here to build a house, and trusses are on order for the roof, and those are coming from Menards probably in a couple weeks yet. Anyway, started building on the weekend, and this was Sunday, May 10th. Putting up the first wall section. Basically wanted to get one corner up and stabilize it, and once I get that up, I can move pretty quickly. As you can see, I'm working in small sections so that I can lift it. These are 8 feet in length. First one was braced, plumb, level. Everything's good. It was a windy day, so it was a little touchy getting it up, but got it up. And then this is the first corner, and this is the back northwest side of the house, and just the easier walls to put up at this point. So just progress one section at a time. You can see at this point there are 3 sections up, and this is the third section. I'm sorry, there were 2 sections up. That's the third one. And then by the time I got to the end of the wall, this was the 5th section, so 32-foot length of wall. I had a level attached to the stud that has sound alarm, so I can tell when the wall gets level and plumb, and then I can attach the bracing. So now I just have these 6 sections up, so 1 complete wall, 2 small sections of the other walls, and get back at it this weekend and try to continue to make progress. The goal is to try to have this framed by Memorial Day week, and I will have future videos with those coming up. Thank you.